everybody, it's Kristina from Kristina's Crafts, and tonight I am going to be making over this little pot that I got from Dollar Tree. So it is a totally cute little color, but I think what I want to do is I want to change it up. So I want to get this sticker off of here, and it looks to me like I could just scrape it off. So I'm gonna see too if I can maybe use some isopropyl alcohol to get that off of there. Okay, so I'm just using some of the alcohol to help get the sticker off of here. It's coming off pretty easy. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my isopropyl alcohol and I'm gonna go all the way around the cup because I'm gonna be painting this. And I'm really hoping it's gonna stick. I'm gonna be using chalk paint, so I think it should be okay, but this is a pretty glossy finish. I'm thinking this little guy, I mean, this would be perfect for a tiered tray if you have one. I don't have a tiered tray, I just have a shelf that I put all my stuff on, but I think it would be the perfect size for that. So let me get this cleaned up and we're gonna start. Okay, it's all cleaned up. I'm hoping my dog's not gonna bark. She's in the window just barking her little head off right now. But I'm gonna take my plaster, there she goes, my plaster colored chalk paint and paint this. All right, I just had a little chat with my puppy. She doesn't say she's a puppy, she is 12 and a half years old. She's getting older. All right, so I'm gonna put a coat of this chalk paint on here and then I'm gonna see what it looks like because I might have to put another coat on or I might just leave it how it is. I guess I'm just gonna have to see what it looks like once I get it done. Okay, so I have one coat on it and it looks kind of shabby. I also painted the inside. Gonna have to put another coat on it. Okay, it's all dry and it looks really nice. It's got a little texture in there from the chalk paint. I was just gonna leave it like this and then decorate it, but I can't leave long enough alone. So I'm gonna try this and we'll see how it works. I'm gonna take a little bit of my elephant chalk paint and I am just gonna dab some on this chip brush and then hopefully just kind of lightly go around the top and maybe the handle and just kind of give it a little bit of a distressed look. But I tend to go a little overboard sometimes, so I don't know. I probably should have just left it, but it just looks a little plain yet to me. So I think I'm just gonna go like this. And I'm probably gonna put too much on. I don't know. Do you think I should put it? No, I should probably just stick to the sides, maybe the bottom. I was thinking about doing the whole thing, but I just don't know about that. All right, I'm just gonna put a little bit of this elephant chalk paint on here and just see how it's looking. Okay, so I probably went a little bit overboard. I did the whole thing. I don't know. I think it looks okay. You'll have to let me know what you think, if I should have done that or if I should have just left it the way it was. All right, I'm gonna set this up right now. Now, this is where Temu and Dollar Tree are gonna meet. So we're gonna see how this turns out. So I got these stickers, which I guess they're called the PET or PET stickers from Temu. And I did a craft haul where I showed them. And one of somebody that was watching my video, her name is Corey Spargarin. Sorry, I don't know if I'm saying that right or not, but she told me what these stickers are. So when I first got them, I just felt the plastic backing and I couldn't get the sticker off of here. So I looked up another video on how to use them and figured out that if you take a piece of tape and you peel up, you can get the sticker off of there. So I just want to say thank you, Corey, for pointing that out to me in my craft haul, because otherwise I probably would have Mod Podged it right to the pot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my sticker and I'm gonna put it onto my cup here. I think I'm gonna do, yeah, like that. Take that tape off of there. Let's see how that looks. I think that looks really cute. These stickers are really neat. All right, and then I'm not 100% sure where I'm gonna put these. I think I'm gonna kind of stick them coming up off the sides here maybe, just for a little extra, but I don't think I'm gonna use the whole thing. I don't know that I want it wrapped all the way around there, so I'm just trying to get a placement here of what, but it would be nice if the stem wasn't so long. I wonder if I can maybe cut these. Let's see. Cut that down, cut the stem down, and then maybe if I get it on there, then I can get the stem. Let's see. Let's try it. All right. I think I'm gonna stick it like right in here maybe? I don't know. We'll see how it works. And then I think, yeah, I cut a little bit of that stem off. I could probably go over just a little bit too. Let's see how this works. See if I can get it on there good. It stays on. Oh, that actually looked pretty good. That actually worked out really nice. Okay, let me, because I'm going to have to take some of the sticker off of here. I'm just going to cut right there. This looks, I think this looks really cute. It's kind of vintage. Let's see where I want to put the other one. Oh my gosh, I can't get it up off my silicone mat. What if I go through the handle maybe? But I still think I want to cut that stem down. I think it looks too long. Let's just go for it and we'll see what happens. Let me get that off of there. These stickers are actually really cool. So thank you again, Corey, for letting me know that they are actually stickers and they come off of the backing. Come on. Okay, so let's see. Thinking if I stick it like right there. Oh, where's my tape? Come on. Okay, and then I'm just going to cut the stem down a little bit. And then pull that off of there if I can. They are a little bit difficult to get off the backing, but these are actually really cool. Let's see if I can get that underneath there. Maybe I should go from this side. Just try that again. Oh my gosh. And then I'm just gonna cut it off right there. All right. Pull that tape off. All right. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. I guess you could, I mean, I could put maybe some different, like some fall stickers on there, and then I could just flip it for the different seasons. You could do summer and fall. Let me see what other stickers I have in there. Okay, so I found the stickers that I want to use. And I'm just going to use my tape and see if I can get them off of here. Do I have the wrong side? Nope, I got the right side. There we go. These stickers are really pretty. Okay, and then I'm going to use this flower, but this is really weird. I noticed that there's these lines in these stickers. I don't honestly know what that's all about. I don't know why they would put white lines in there, but I am just gonna go ahead and chop the white lines out of there. So if you know what those white lines are, I would really love it if you could let me know. That'd be great. All right, so I think I'm gonna put this like right, no, too close, right there. And then cut that down. And let's see, how much room do we have here? Cut that about there. Yeah, I'm sure those white lines have a purpose on the sticker, but I have no idea what, because I didn't even know about these stickers until I bought them from Temu. Okay, got it off. I'm just gonna line this up with the stem. And put that on there. All right, I think that looks pretty good. Maybe you're supposed to splice it like that. I don't know. All right, well, that's it. It is all finished. So this is my Dollar Tree project meets Temu. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you made it to the end. I'd really love it if you subscribe, hit the little bell so you get notified when I upload, and take care. Thanks. Bye.